Hey guys, Ryan here with one of my newest vacuum cleaners. It's a Hoover Windtunnel Air. This was a Craigslist find, along with my Hoover Guardsman, which I did in the last video. Bought it for $60 on Craigslist, and I love it. If I was to get a modern day vacuum today, this is the one that I would buy if I wasn't a vacuum collector. Excuse me. So, we got brush roll with the hose, which you disattached. Comes with the extension hose, so you could do stairs. Power switch, brush roll. Put the handle down. So by pushing down on it. So makes it smaller for storage, and extend it for vacuuming. So, came with the 3-in-1 tool, so you got the crevice tool, dusting brush, and upholstery brush all together. So, and I've been using it to vacuum up the house, so that's all the dirt from actually vacuuming today. I'll show it to you guys. Brush roll off. There you go. There is my Hoover Windtunnel Air. Hope you guys enjoyed.